Congratulations on purchasing your Drone XC. Let's set it up. The first step is to download the DroneMobile app, either in the App Store or from Google Play. Next is account registration. If you're a first-time DroneMobile user, you'll have to create an account. You can do so by opening the DroneMobile app and tapping on the Register link on the login page. You will be prompted to enter your DroneMobile system serial number. You can find your serial number on the door jamb sticker, keychain tag, the Drone XC dashcam itself, as well as the bill of sale. Next, you will be prompted to enter your personal information. A confirmation email will be sent containing a link to set up a secure password. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a secure password. Once you create a password, you will be prompted to log into accounts.dronemobile.com. The next step is selecting your DroneMobile plan. DroneMobile plans activate the cellular connection to your Drone XC dashcam. These are required for control, tracking, and streaming. Log into your account and navigate to the subscriptions page. Click Add Plan or Update Plan by your desired vehicle. Then, select a DroneMobile plan. Next, select a term length. Longer term lengths offer greater savings. Afterwards, select your streaming plan. You can choose between no streaming, streaming, and streaming plus. The next step is onboarding. The first time you log into the DroneMobile app, you will be guided through the onboarding steps. The next step is dashcam settings. Drone XC dashcam settings are accessible through the dashcam widget on the homepage. The final step is a firmware update. Firmware updates ensure your hardware will work with the latest software and security features. And now, you're ready to live stream with your Drone XC dash camera. Thanks for watching, and check out our channel for more user guide videos.